Today, take a look at the KENMIC K142 sound level meter. So we got our instructions, and we've got our meter. So it does have a windscreen on the top, and that is our mic element. It does have a 1/4-20 mount, so if we want to, we could actually thread this onto a tripod, so we could set this up and just have it constantly record. And it takes 3 AAA batteries. We do have 3 batteries in the box. And I can appreciate that this does not require a screwdriver in order to change out the batteries. So that's nice. We do actually have a backlit display on there. So it is constantly reading the decibels. Test, 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 test. Test, 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 test. We can put a hold on that, so that way if we have to hold it in somewhere and we can't actually see the display, we can just lock that value in. We can also check minimum and maximum. So right now this is going to show us the minimum amount, so the quietest it was in the room, and we have max. So the loudest that we had it in this room, that is what that is going to show. So a nice simple interface, and we just press and hold to shut it off. So with this, whenever I'm testing equipment, instead of just having a subjective view of how much sound this is making, we're going to actually be able to see how loud that equipment actually gets. So that got up to about 100 decibels. And this actually had an alarm on it too, so that means that if it gets over 100 decibels, then this will fire a warning to let us know. So that is pretty cool. In the instructions, it also says we have a calibration knob. So in the event we want to fine tune this, maybe we want to make it match some other decibel reading equipment, we can just put a mini screwdriver in there and we can adjust that value. So nice simple interface, nice and quick reading on there. That is a very nice decibel meter.